Hey everyone, this is Chaz with Churchwell Insurance Agency. I want to be fast and concise because I know right now timing is everything for you guys and you're trying to respond quickly to get a claim filed. I want to talk to you fast about things to consider before you file this claim. Number one, I want to make sure, do you know what your deductibles are? And I want to make sure that you understand that your deductible for wind and hail may be different than your deductible for all of your other perils. So check your policy. In fact, if you need to, you can look online at churchwellagency.com and you can click on the customer service tab and you can check your policy right there if you don't already have access to your carrier information or if you don't have your policy in hand. And then additionally, if we're talking about an auto policy, maybe your car got flooded, hail damage, flipped around by a tornado, something like that, then we want to make sure that you've got information to where you know what your comprehensive deductible is. The other than collision or comprehensive deductible on your auto policy is what you want to make sure you know about. So what you want to do is this. You want to know not only what the deductible is, but will filing the claim be worth a rate increase that you may get? Because it's an act of God, you most likely won't see much of a rate increase on your homeowner's policy, but you will end up seeing a rate increase on your auto policy if you file the claim. Just giving you an FYI on that. Now, the other thing that I want to make sure that you take consideration in is if you're looking to file a policy and it's a flood insurance policy, I want you to know that you need to know what your flood policy's coverage is for your deductibles and for your cap limits. Keep that in consideration as we're looking at everything to get stuff started for you there. If you're trying to file a claim because of rising water that may be permeated through your basement or raised up just with saturated ground or with drainage in your area not being sufficient enough and the water levels rose and you ended up having flooding in your home, I want to let you know, just very candidly, if you don't have a flood insurance policy, then you don't want to try to file a claim right here because you're not going to have coverage on your policy for that. Flood is specifically excluded on all homeowner policies, and that's why they write flood insurance as a separate policy. But with all of that in mind, take your time, fill out this form. Shouldn't take you but maybe 10 minutes to power through everything. You'll see there's even a spot for you to upload some photographs on there. You're going to want to make sure that you don't remove anything from your home that you dispose of and that you keep a hold of all of your receipts. Please know that we're praying for you in this time as you try to recover, and we're honored for the opportunity to work hard for you. Blessings. Bye.